Yo, it's OO, Radiant player, 8 times, baby, and doing coaching. But today I will be unboxing my M1 V5 TMR. I recently just sold my Wooting for about, I won't say the price, but it was a good price for that guy and also for me. And I got my Monsgeek right here, baby. Monitor's out of touch here, but this is my setting, or my keyboard I'm using right now. It's an old SK keyboard. Out of the box, or just like holding the package, it's already heavy as shit. It's like 4 pounds compared to my old Wooting that was like about a pound and what, 1.3 pounds. Here we go. It comes with a little plastic cover, so it's nice. Like it feels very safe. Oh, keyboard's heavy. The 75% keyboard with a knob. Sound test. So the reason I got this keyboard was because of how strong and sturdy it is compared to the Wooting that's kind of like weak. But let's see what it comes with in the box. Okay, we're good. This is the wireless mode. Oh, this is the cable Type C. And it comes with the, I think this is the switch puller. And then this the keycap puller. So that's all it comes with in the box. So we got my keyboard. I chose this color because it was cheaper. Also, it really matches my very black and white aesthetic here. I'm gonna test this out for a week, but I just wanted to show you unboxing. I'll see you guys.